es Halloween, esto es Halloween, 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 Halloween. Es noche de brujas, Halloween, noche de brujas.
Laura, yeah, I hear you two like a guy between you now and then.
Where'd you hear that from?
Courtney says you asked her for a three-way. I don't blame you, she's hot.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
What, my intel is no good?
No, it's no good.
See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that not only Justin...
My bitch pose is nasty. Don't ever play with the cat. That elbow.
Someone once told me that with great cuteness comes no responsibility. And that's the motto I live by.
Yo, check this out. But if you close your emotional damage, emotional damage, emotional damage, emotional damage.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Do you leave your bedroom door open when you sleep? Experts say it's better to leave it open.
And if a double decker balls crashes into our...
What you doing? 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 What you doing?
Someone once told me that with great cuteness comes no responsibility. And that's the motto I live by.
Today my mom told me she no longer loves me and I am up for adoption.
That is not what I said. I said you can't have second dinner.